Okay, so it's early as hell in the morning. I just woke up. A company sent me a wig again, and I have to do a review really soon. So I wanted to show you all how I braid my hair for wigs. So I'm going to blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna show you all one of the two ways that I braid my hair for wigs. Even if you're not wearing a wig, this is a good way to braid your hair down for braid outs as well. So just stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now my hair is blow dried and I'm about to go in and braid my hair. Before I braid my hair, I typically add just a little bit of oil. I'm going to use vitamin E oil today, nothing fancy. I have some argan oil I usually use, but I can't find it. I'm just going to quickly put some oil in my hair. And the wig that I'm going to be doing a video on is a middle part bob, so I'm going to make sure I have at least one part down the middle that will be, you know, flat where the part of my wig is. That's not necessarily important, but I do like to make sure that my wig isn't bulky in the part. Okay. When I have someone else do my braid down, I usually get about 8 to 10 braids. But when I'm doing it myself, however many braids I feel like doing that day. So I'm gonna take my Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. I've been using this since high school. I love this product. Once I found it, I was hooked on Cantu. There was nothing anyone can tell me about Cantu. If you like Cantu, let me know what was the first product that you used from Cantu that made you fall in love. For me, it was the oil sheen. I would use it, and it would straighten my hair so well. Cause that's all I used to use when I used to flat iron my hair for a long time. Okay, so if you have a curly wig, your braids aren't as important, but if your hair is straight, it's, you know, you need to get them shits right. So I'm going to use a little bit of edge control just to keep it back. You don't have to do this, but I want to make sure none of my hairs are out. When I do install this wig, I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued method again. So I put just enough. This edge control is one of the best I've used, so if you use this edge control, you got to move quick, because once this edge control gets where it needs to be, it will set. It ain't going nowhere. So I'm just taking my hair and I'm just braiding. If you don't know how to cornrow, the best way I could do to explain it to you was act like you're doing a box braid, do like 3 parts, and then start moving back. This is definitely a braid style for the strong arms, because if you got weak arms, you're gonna get tired. This is why I usually get lazy halfway through the braids, because my arms get tired. I have to be to work around 11. It's like 8 something right now. So I gotta braid my hair down, customize this wig, install it, get dressed, get to work. And then I'm gonna put just a little bit of edge control to the tip of my braid. You don't have to do this. I'm gonna do it because my hair is not very kinky, so they don't just stay together all the time. Okay. If you feel like a piece of your hair when your partner is still dry, add more moisturizer. So if you're like me, you're gonna have these braids in for a little while, and you want to make sure your hair is protected. So again, you just take the part, I braid it 2 or 3 times, and then start attaching to the rest of your hair. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't, but when I was trying to learn, that was the easiest way for me to learn. So I used to do my braids for wigs, And don't get me wrong, they was flat, but they was flat for the wrong reason. Like the braid wouldn't really start until way, way back here. And this right here, it did as well, but that's because I don't want any glue to get on my hair. But if it wasn't for the edge control, it wouldn't be that far back. But it used to be like hair and then a braid start way back here. Don't get me wrong, my eyeballs were flat, but it wasn't doing nothing. When my braids are real skinny at the end, I'll just go ahead and combine them. Which isn't always easy. Sometimes I have to kind of break the old braid up a little bit to do it. So it's 2 and 2. Don't get me wrong, these are not braids that you're going to wear out. This is not a feed-in tutorial. This is not a, none of that. This is a get her done video. I could do much better braid downs than other people because my arms don't get tired the same way. And a lot of people have thicker or coarser hair, and that is just so much easier to do. And I don't understand why stylists always complain about thick, coarse hair. Like, this is the easiest hair to grip. You got plenty to grip, ain't gonna be no spaces in the braids. Your hand's not gonna slip through, the braid's not gonna unravel if you let it go for a second. Like, it has been 14 minutes already. Like, in real life. It's not gonna be this long in the video. It goes right in the... I mean, I don't know what the hell. It works, I promise. For me, at least. I'm good with numbers and symmetry. I'm going to school for econ, so that doesn't necessarily mean anything, the econ part. I want to let y'all know. But for some reason, I'm really good at stuff like that. Now, when I get to my side braids, I don't know what be happening. But when I get to my side braids, they just do not be complete. Like, the second to last braid, like where I'm at now, for some reason, I always get super skinny in the back. Like, I don't know. But like I said, when I do other people's braids, it don't be like that. But it's kind of hard because you can't see your hair. And you don't want to get a super thick piece right here, but you don't want it to be thin either. This is random, but sometimes when I braid my hair like this, I'll actually trim my ends while they're in the braids. I don't know where I got that from or why I started, but I do that sometimes. Especially like if it feels like there's just pieces that just don't feel like they want to do anything in the braid, I'll just go ahead and do it like that. And then by the time I take the braids out, I don't even notice. You gotta try to keep your braid as tight as possible without hurting your scalp. That way it doesn't like get loose and bulk up. Because my hair specifically is really soft. So if I don't grip it good, it's gonna slip right out. But my braids turn really soft in the back. Okay, so my sister called me, so I did these two braids off camera. I'm gonna just show you how they look from the back. Probably crazy, but I mean, hey. I think I married those two braids together. I think I did. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I did on this side. So I'm just gonna moisturize it again. That's the most important thing about braiding your hair if you want this to be a protective style for you. If your hair is dry and not taken care of underneath, you just gotta wait on it. It ain't no protective style. Honestly, if this was curly hair, I probably would have made this all just one braid right here. So I'm not exactly sure what just happened with my camera, but I just want to show you how it looks with the wig cap on. It is pretty flat for the most part. Yeah, pretty flat for the most part. The more braids you have, the flatter it is. No huge hump in the back. I just want to show you all how that wig is looking on top of my braids. I feel like the install is very flat. I did a very simple install. I just want to show you that that braid pattern is very quick, very easy, borderline beginner friendly, and it gives you the results that you want. If you're interested in seeing more about this hair, be sure to subscribe to my channel, obviously. Like this video, comment below and tell me if this is how you braid your hair. And I will be posting the video to this hair review pretty soon, probably within 2 days of this video. And I hope you all like it. This is a wig purchase on Amazon, and it is a very affordable hair. The hair is from Kayaya Hair, but you'll have to watch the video to learn more about the hair. I hope this video was helpful and it helps you in some way, shape, or form. If there's anything that you're interested in seeing or have any questions or comments, just be in the comments below and I'll be sure to respond quickly, because why wouldn't I? Y'all are my friends. Why would I not respond to my friends? Ain't that weird? But anyway, again, this is my wig install on top of the braids that I showed you all how to do. Have a great day, and I'll see you next video.